And let me make this very clear. The contractor that we recommend has no idea that you exist. The only time an introduction is made is if you want us to connect you. And remember, all of this service is completely free of charge to the homeowner. Now, I know that some of you may be wondering, how are you able to do this entirely for free? And that's a very valid question. We believe in being extremely transparent on how we're able to operate and help the community. At Blue Falcon Aerial, we do not charge the homeowner anything for these assessments or reports. Instead, the roofers and solar providers that we partner with will pay us for the service once a job is totally completed. This way, homeowners like you can get all the information you need and get connected with the right guys without having to pay anything out of pocket. Our goal is to protect you and not add any additional financial stress after a storm.